Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use our Seekway Magic Player to import video, add text and adjust color. We'll use the library. Firstly, we'll import the video. Add to program. Choose video. Open. We can see the video here. Then, we adjust color. Choose the program. Drag the key. We can see that the effect is changing synchronously. We can also choose Curve Adjust. It has different models to choose. Click that little square box. Drag it to change the curve. We can nudge it around to tweak it just right. Save it. Following that, we add text. Add text Seekway 2004. In the preview box, we can see what it looks like. We select the font and the font size. We can design it as vertical text. It's now vertical. Then we can rotate the text. I'd also like to make the letter spacing narrower. But it looks reversed now, so we'll correct it. We can make it rise from the bottom as well. Besides, we can also make it stay in the middle for 5 seconds. Then we can see that it has been bumped up by 5 seconds. Make it loop 3 times. Now it becomes to 27 seconds. Save it. We can see the scene we've created. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.